Hi, I'm Dr. Brewer, and this is Sounds of the Past, your soundtrack to a lack of a social change. The kids you see on the floor there are self-proclaimed revolutionaries.
They have way too much power, and they've had it for way too long. Let's plan a revolution, boys.
You see my point? That's poison. She's their leader, although they would never tell you that, as they say they have no leader, a concept I believe to be quote-unquote commie-Marxist bullshit. Apologies, I have just been informed that I cannot say commie-Marxist bullshit on air.
Do what and how? Even just talking about it is risky. They're everywhere. We need to be smart, covert. We can't have all-out revolution, Lenin. The masses don't usually get off their asses at times like this. Surprisingly, people don't like risking their own lives.
Oh my, was that a little bit of friendly fire with the Lenin line? Anyway, that's Destroyer, the brains of the operation, and that's being nice.
Well, I think we should just stay here. It all sounds like a lot of effort.
That's Parasite, the revolutionary equivalent of Take Your Brother With You.
Mate, come on. You're young, you're liberal, you should be ready to go.
I just think we can't do anything. I mean, we're not even old enough to vote.
Put it this way. If you want to make the world a better place,
Take a look at yourself.
and make that
Change. What a recruiting technique that is.
Well, guys, I don't...
Dude! I'm gonna punch you.
She's seriously gonna punch him.
Guys, calm down. Back to business, yeah? We don't need infighting. If we destroy ourselves, they win. My question is, once again, what do we do?
Well said, comrade. Let me think.
Spoken like a true leftist. Disgusting.
Got it!
Yeah?
We march.
Did you not listen to what I said before?
I did. I just think marching through the streets, it might send a message, you know? It's powerful.
Oh, I don't know.
You're beginning to sound like him.
Oh, the ultimate shame. Being compared to Parasite. I think I'd cry, and I'm a real man, so I don't do that.
Fine. Let's do it.
We march!
Oh, here we go. While we watch this sorry display, please enjoy the next song.
You know firearms are illegal, kids, so why don't you just slowly put them down?
Wait, pause. If it wasn't already clear, Parasite, being the complete liberal idiot that he is, has just attempted to shoot a police officer with a toy gun. There really is no hope.
Oh, fuck.